And in that box, we have our game plan and we don't alter. We stick to our game plan and we make sure that we commit to it and we stay in tune with it. And you keep making sure that you're playing for each other, with each other. Keep making sure that you're reading Ohio across that jersey and seeing the success that Ohio gets when they play together. Intensity all the way, feeling good, looking good, acting good, sounding good, all those things that Ohio's known for. You guys make sure that you put your best out on the field today and you get after Kent State right now. need you guys to make sure that you stay in game mode. Okay, we don't know what the call is going to be, we don't know what the outcome is going to be, and we don't know when it's going to be. But I need you guys to make sure that you stay in game mode. We're finishing the 6th and 7th, and we're winning the 6th and 7th.
Started at 1:30, now the whole team's here. Started at 1:30, now we're here.
Hey,
Started at 1:30,
and my whole team's here. Okay, so proud of you guys. So proud of you. Way to lead us. So proud of you guys. Doing things that we can't control and making sure that when we had our moment, we got in there and we controlled every ounce of it. So proud of you guys for making sure that your will to win was so large today. Brings us into tomorrow. Got Ball State coming at us tomorrow. Our will to win gets even bigger and bigger and bigger with the next game. You guys are so good right now, and I'm so proud that you're playing for each other. It feels really good.